In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a GIF in Canva. We'll start right from the Canva homepage. Open Canva and choose Create a Design. For a GIF that looks great on most platforms, pick a square format like social media or video at 1080 by 1080 pixels. Square is versatile and typically compresses well for GIFs, but you can choose any size that suits where you'll share it. Next, decide whether to use a pre-designed template or build your own from a blank canvas. Templates are great for speed and inspiration. You can swap colors, fonts, and graphics to match your style. If you prefer full control, start from scratch and set your background color first, so your animation has a clean base. Now let's add content. Head to the Elements tab to bring in images, shapes, icons, stickers, and text. Arrange your layout with a clear focal point and leave a little breathing room around the edges. Simple designs usually translate best to GIF because fewer moving parts keep file sizes smaller and the motion easier to follow. To animate, select any object on your design and click Animate. You'll see motion styles such as gentle fades, pans, or pops. Choose one that matches the mood you want. Subtle, consistent movement often looks more professional than many competing effects. If multiple items move, consider giving them the same animation style or staggering their timing to guide the viewer's eye. If you want a classic frame-by-frame feel, use multiple pages as frames. Add a new page or duplicate the current one. Then make small changes between pages, move an object slightly. Switch a word or swap an image. This creates smooth, progressive motion. You can also adjust the duration of each page so fast actions feel snappy and emphasis frames linger a bit longer. Use the preview to check your loop and tweak until it feels seamless. When you are happy with the animation, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right corner. Then choose Download. In the File Type menu, select GIFs. If you created a multi-page animation, make sure all pages are selected so the entire sequence is included. Keep in mind that GIFs don't carry audio, so focus on visual storytelling. Finally, click Download and Canva will compile your animation into a GIF file you can share anywhere. That's it! Thanks for watching.